Well, upon completion of the Python full course, now from today we are going to discuss what are the different basic Python codes and how to write the Python code with the different concepts. So first we need to clear about the concepts with the syntax as well as all the stuff. Then we are going to create the code, so how we are going to write in our real life entity. So today, as I said, today I'm going to discuss the 20 basic Python codes, how they are going to implement. And first is of we are going to start with even number. As you all know that even number 2, 4, 6, 8, this all comes under the even number. So in Python programming language, to know whether the given number is the even number or not, we are going to have some condition in this. So we are going to right now, let's suppose equal to 20, as we said. If this is the variable, if a percentile by 2 double equals to 0, as I said, the single equals to and the double equals to difference, print even, else print odd. See, as you know that 20 number is a even, and this is the condition which it percentile by 2 double equals to 0, then it comes to the print statement, it is of even. What if it gives, suppose this is of even number, we all know that, and we also know with the odd number, second is of odd number. Today we are going to only discuss with the basics. See, where a equals to 21, as we know that 21 is the odd number here, and it will percentile with 2, and it which is not equal to 0, so it goes to the else statement and gives the odd number. This is of the second program. First program is of the even number, second program is of the odd number. This is the basic codes that we are going to write today. And third is of the swap case. Swap case is nothing but changing from one variable to another variable. Suppose let's we take equal to 10, b equal to 20, a comma b equal to b comma a, print a comma b. See here, as before, the value of a is 10 and b is 20. When we done the swap case, it converted into a2 as b and b2 as a, so a has become 20 and b has become 10. Okay, now, and this is the third program. Please complete the Python full course which I was posted in my YouTube channel, so that you can know the what is the syntax of the each concept and how to implement. Definitely we will know all the stuff. And fourth code is of greatest between two numbers. This is of greatest between two numbers. And to see, for example, let's take the same example, equal to 10, b equal to 20. If a is greater than b, print a, else print b. We need to write t. Okay, this is of greatest between two numbers. See, we are going to give a value with 10 and b value with 20. Just we are checking the condition. This is the basic Python codes that we are going to write today, because to know what to write and how to write in the Python, we are writing this. And equal to 20, b equal to, our aim is to complete the top 100 Python codes. So this is the first 20 Python codes of basic, And here in the greatest between two numbers, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, if a is greater than b, print a. See here, it checks the condition between a and b. If a is greater than b, it will print a, else it will print b. A is not greater than b, so it is printing b. B is the greatest, 20 is the greatest here. Okay, this is the greatest between two numbers. Let's go with another program. Fifth, palindrome. Palindrome number. See, the concept of palindrome is whether if you are starting with a single string to the end, and from the reverse also the string should be same, whether you read from the first, whether you read from the last, both the sides it will start with the same name. If you read with the same, it should be of same. Like for example, ma'am. Let's take the string ma'am. If you read from the front, it will become ma'am. From the back also, this is also become ma'am. These are called as palindromes. Okay, we are going to check the condition. If a double equals to a of double colon, print palindrome. Else print not a palindrome. See, this is of palindrome. Let's discuss with if you are going to have MADAM. See, this is also a palindrome. Madam is also a palindrome. Suppose if you give it the another thing, it will show us it is not a palindrome. Suppose is or any Python keyword, anything, it will show that it is not a palindrome. Okay, and let's go with the sixth program. These are the basic concepts. Okay, square of each number. As we know that square of number is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So we are going to write as square of each number within the given limit. So we are declaring a in the form of list. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements. So I am calling for I in a, print I into see, here it is going to print 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. This is of the square of each number. This is the code, this is the logic. See, writing the code is not important, guys. Thinking the logic is important. See, I star I, we can also write as I double star 2. This also runs. Yes, see, writing the logic is not important. See, writing the code is not important. Thinking about the logic, how efficiently you are thinking, how small you are thinking, how shortest you are thinking. See, this is the most important thing that you need to be remember. And these are the next we are going to discuss with seventh. I will recap it in the last. Minimum and maximum in the, see, I was corrected a few codes because to easy, whether if you are learning, if you are a beginner, you can understand that okay, this is the how easy the Python will be, and this is the code. The code should be run in your mind whether I'm going to, if you're listening this video. Okay, as we know that for minimum, min for max is the function method equal to list of 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, print minimum of a and print max of, you need to practice, that's it. From in this list, the minimum of a is 1 and the max is 4. See, this is the way that we are going to write Python. Eighth program is of leap year, and you know the logic, you know the what type of formula that you are going to, but you don't know the how to implement it. So you need, by practicing you will get all the stuff. 2024, let's take as 2024, whether we will check the year 2024 is leap year or not. And for this we are going to have the three conditions. See, if a percentile 4 double equals to 0 and a percentile 100 is not equal to 0, this both the conditions should be true. Or, as I said, or means either one should be true, and means both the conditions should be true of a percentile 400 double equals to 0. Okay, we need to give the semicolon here. Print leap year, else print not a leap year. See, 2024 is the leap year. It is going in the condition a percentile 4 double equals to 0 and a percentile 100 not equals to 0. If this both the conditions are true, and it will goes to it is a leap year. Or in the sense a percentile by 400 double equals to 0, it will goes to the leap year here. This is the condition that we have in the leap year. Okay, this is the 8th program. Let's discuss with the 9th program. Reverse a string. Just we are going to write as a is equals to Python. You know the code. Print to reverse a Python, to reverse a string a of double colon minus 1. That's it. See, this is the to reverse a string. Okay, 10th is off, and we all know the tables, and in Python how easy that we are going to print the tables. Multiplication table, 2 table. Let's take 2 table. How efficiently we are going to write this. See, okay, for I in, as you know, that range function, range of 1 to 11. If you are missed the class, please go and watch the Python full course. From there I have discussed each and every syntax. From that you can understand what I am going to write, how the Python is easy and all the stuff. 2 into, in the string I am writing because there is the static 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here 1s and 2s are going to change and the output is going to change, but 2 into will be remains static. So comma I, because from here 1 to 11 it will take as, this is the n minus 1 term, from 1 to 10 for I will be taken as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So comma I comma equals to will be the static. Okay, comma 2 times of I. This is the code of 2 table. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20. Okay, this is the, if I am going to change as here 2, it will of 3. See, sorry, 3 will be printed with, and here we need to give as 3. See, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This is the code of multiplication. Okay, this is the 10th program, and for 11th program, this is of like emojis. 11th is of emojis. I'm going to introduce the random function here. First we need to import random. Okay, equal to list of 1, list of 2, list of 3, and string of 4. Suppose I will when I'm going to run the execution, I need to get the randomly. I need to pick the values. Say print random dot choice of A. See, first I got it 2, then I got it 1. When I am going to run the code, it is giving a random number to me. Again it gave 2, and now this time it has given 4. Again 4. Again 2. This is of random function. Importance of random function is it will give the randomly, it will give the values to us, and it is the most important thing. In the statistics we are going to discuss the each and everything about the random here, and we are going to the 12th. See, in the movies and in our seniors, if there will be a ragging, right, they used to write like, see, if you like, suppose this is of infinite, not infinite, finite, like importance about print string of, if you are a lover of Python, see, in some movies they used to say, write 100 times that I love Python. In just within a single term, within a single code, we are going to print 1000 times I love Python. See, this is the output, guys. Okay, this is the power of print statement, and here it is of string. For 1000 times it is going to repeat it. For every time I love Python. This is of 12th program, and 13th program is of GCD of 2 numbers. See, in Python how we are going to use the GCD of 2 numbers. GCD states the greatest common divisor. Here we need to import math. See, print math dot GCD of 10, 20. See, GCD of 10, 20 is 10. It is of greatest common divisor, as we are known the formula is and everything. And we are going to with 14th program, square root of a number. See here, let's take a is equals to 16. Print a double star whole power 1/2 also written. We are going to close this, and the square root of 16 is 4, and as well as the cube root. 15th program is of cube root. Equal to 8. Print same thing, whole power 1/3 as given as cube root. That's it, simple. We need to write the command 1/3. See, 2 is the cube root of 2 is 8, square root of 4 is 16. Okay, how simple is this? See, this is the interesting thing. See that daily we are going to get this is the importance of the if string. See, daily that we are going to from the Zomato. Hi Mahesh, have you eaten the food? Hi Shrikant, hi Deepak, hi Manoj, and this all the stuff. Okay, how we are going to get this? With this code they are going to give us, suppose equals to, they use it to store all values like Ramya, Sri, Manoj, Deepak. Okay, from these I'm going to take each and every value into iterable for I in A. Okay, print, I'm going to give the f string here. Hi, have you done with your lunch or order here. In the f string they use it to give us I. That's it, and they will close it. See, this is the output that we are going to. Hi, have you done with your lunch or order here, Ramya. We are going to give the space here, some space. See, let's take this out. See, hi, have you done with your lunch or order here, Ramya. Hi, this is the function, this is the f string they are using in the Zomato and all the stuff. So all are getting the messages within the f string. They are going to save the names like this, and for loop, just within the for loop we are getting the messages like this. This is of the 16th program. And now 17th program is removing the duplicates from the list. Yesterday I have discussed today about in the Python in the set doesn't contain the duplicates. That's it. Just we are going to take as a is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. That's it. Print. Just we are going to give a set of A. Yes. This is the removing the duplicates from the list. This is the command that we need to write. Okay, this is of 17th program, and now we are going to write 18th program is of like count function, important of count. In the interviews, these questions are asked in the interviews. So within the fun, I'm going to teach you the methods as well as the how to write the codes and conditions and for loops, that I'm going to involving all the different types of stuff. And for the next 20 course, that this for the next for the next 20 course, from there we are going to have the different codes also, which they are important for the interviews. Okay, count equal to, suppose this. Okay, the interviewer used to ask how many times t is repeated. So we are having with the count function, print a dot count of t. That's it. See, 4 times t is repeated. This is the importance of the count function, and we are going to having with the 19th program is equals to simple interest formula. And in the Python, how we are going with using the dynamically language, how we are going to execute the formulas. See, as we know that the formula is equals to I is equals to PTR by 100. So P equals to int of input, enter the number. Okay, and we will copy, because again and again I need to type here P T R. Okay, now we are going to implement I equal to P into T into R by 100. See, first it is asking about P. T. R. We can stop this or we can continue this. First I am going to P value as 10, T value as 20, R value is 400, and at the last we should go to print the I. That's it. We'll get the output here. No, P 10, 20, 100. See, 200 is the simple interest of formula. Simple interest of all this principal, total and the rate. Okay. This is how we are going to see. Forget about the values, but this is the way of approach how to execute the formulas in the Python. Okay. And this is of 19th, right? 20 is of first and natural numbers. See, suppose if you are going to have number is equals to 5, and let's take sum equals to 0. This will be very important. For I in range of number plus 1, I will explain you. Sum equals to sum plus I. You print sum. See, first it is used to take the number equals to 5. Your number will become 6. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 will be 6, and the sum is 0, and it will comes as 1 plus, like this up to 5th. It will go or run on iteration until it gives the 5th 1 plus 2 plus, and this is the, as we know in the formula n enters 1 by 2. This is the formula of first and natural numbers. These are the Python basic 20 codes. First we are going to start with these 20 codes, then we are going to have the next 20 codes, and again 20, 5 times. For the 5 parts we are going to have these 20 codes. With these 100 codes you are going to complete all the very important interview codes. Okay, and each and everything will be involved. This is the basic things you need to be remember while writing the code. The syntax you need to be follow, and we will have a quick revision in the last. This is the last. Okay, the first code is of even number. Okay, this is the condition for the even number. A percentile by 2 w equals to 0. This is the condition of the even number. If this executes, then it will give us the print as even, or else it gives us, if a equals to 21, it gives us odd number. And swap case defines that interchanging between the variables of a comma b to b comma a. That's it. And greatest between two numbers. This is the condition that we are going to have. For palindrome number, whether if you are reading from left to right or right to left, the name should be same. The string should be same. So they are called as palindrome numbers. And square of each number. And this is the for loop that we need to create. And I double star whole power 2 is, this states that it is the square of each number. For I will take as 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the output of it. And as we know that minimum and maximum in the list, that's it. This is the simple statements. And for the leap year, here we need to use the logical operators. And for and, both the conditions should be true. For or, either one should be true. For the leap year, to check the leap year, a percentile for w equals to 0 and a percentile by 100 not equals to 0. This both should be true, or either this should be true. So it gives the year as the leap year, else it will give the as a not a leap year. And reverse a string, and this is the string, guys. To reverse it, double colon minus 1 gives as the reversing of the string. And this is of multiplication table printing. And here we need to give the static. Here is also static, but here we need to change the values. Here if I give 4, 5, 6, anything, the table city is going to print. And this is of random numbers. Random. Okay. Randomly it will print, it will picks one value and it gives us the output. This is the most important while in the statistics. And this is the finite. As I said, in our seniors they used to write that I love Python, I love Python, I love Python. And this is the single command which prints the 1000 times I love Python, I love Python. Okay, this is the command, guys. For it is of repetition operator. Okay, now here it is of GCD of two numbers, and here we need to import math.gcd of 10, 20, and here here we can also write as print math.square root of 16 also. It is also gives the output, but we need to remember, without using predefined functions, we need to implement the Python codes using the simple only. And we all know that a double star whole power 1 by 2 gives as the square root, 1 by 3 gives as the cube root. And as I said, the f string in the Zomato that we are going to daily, we are having with some messages in the afternoon or in the morning, and this is how they are going to send us. And remove the duplicates from the list. As we know that set doesn't contains the duplicates, so we are converting from list to set, so it is off. And count function, it is of important, how many times t is repeated in the given characters of string. And this is the how to execute the formula. This is the process. And lastly, the first 10 natural numbers. Okay guys, by this we are going to complete with the basic 20 codes, and the next we are going to have the next 20 codes which are very important. This is the basic Python, that's it.